In this video, we'll present to you the top best turntables on the market today. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget option or through the best to the best, we have chosen one for each category and we'll have one for you. We made this list in no particular order, so if you're interested in what many turntables will work best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. Electrohome Archer Vinyl Record Player. Electrohome's classic vinyl player is a reliable choice for the ones that need a turntable that comes with a practical design. The model looks like a briefcase that makes it both portable and easy to store. It supports USB connectivity and has its own built-in speakers. Built-in speakers. USB for MP3s, headphone jack. AUX input for smartphones. Sony USB Stereo Turntable. Sony's PSLX300 USB is a simple turntable with a belt drive system and a static balance tone arm. The model has a built-in preamp and comes with 2 speeds. It has a thin design and it is quite light. It is a bit more expensive than similar models, but it does offer superior sound quality. Fully automatic operation. Built-in phono preamp. Static balance tone arm. USB audio output. Audio-Technica AT-LP120. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120 is a popular purchase amongst the ones that need a simple turntable that comes with a compact design and just enough features. It has 2 turntable speeds and comes with a professional-grade aluminum platter. Convert your vinyl records. PC-compatible Audacity software. Anti-resonance. Drive stereo turntable. Boytone BT-17DJ. The Boytone BT-17DJ is a turntable that comes with a few extra options for the ones that need something more complex. It has 3 speeds and a simple headphone jack, as well as a cassette player and USB connectivity support. Convert vinyl or cassette. MP3 and WNA playback cassette player. Product is backed. Wireless remote control. Audio-Technica AT-LP120. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120 is a professional-grade turntable that comes with a direct drive system and a high-torque motor. It has selectable RPM speeds and an easy-to-use pitch control. The model is made mostly out of brushed aluminum and comes with a clear dust cover. Convert vinyl to digital. Audio-Technica's USB direct drive. Anti-skate control. Variable pitch control. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price, and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.